welcome to the Bahamas. We are now in Freeport. If you cannot hear me, I apologize. Made a little oops. The camera, I forgot the charger for the batteries. So camera's dead, but we have the GoPro. Everything's good to go here, so this is what we're gonna rock on. So this is actually a very short port. We are supposed to be back on the ship by 4:30. I guess we're gonna head back out to sea and go to Princess Cays. So we're getting in all the shopping that we can, finding all the cool stuff anyway. They have our cruise ship just behind me and then another one right here. I don't know what this one is. Norwegian, it's a Norwegian cruise line. And then next to this area is just a really cool area. You can buy gifts, drinks, food, all the things. Really, you don't have to go any further than this. So we opted out of going into town of Freeport. We're just gonna stay in this area because tomorrow we're gonna hit what is it called?
Princess Cays.
We're gonna hit Princess Cays, and then at Princess Cays we'll be able to hit the beach straight off the ship. That's what they tell us. We haven't been, so we don't know, but so we're guessing. Good morning. This is morning of day 3. We are just outside of Princess Cays Island. And we're getting some grub. Definitely breakfast time. On the menu today, these little things, I'm not sure what they are. Like little omelet burritos. Finley is loving the food. She got some pancakes, a little bit of turkey. Pretty good. Look, it's not crowded at all in here. That's continental stuff. This is like fruity things for breakfast. And then they got, this is the line that you come in here, or they have the line that you come in over there. Probably one of the hardest things to wrap around in my head from this trip is when you're done with your meal, you just get up and walk away. And then the awesome wait staff here comes and picks it up and you don't have to worry about it anymore. Unfortunately, today is de-embarkation day. We are sad to go, but what a great experience this was. Thank you for watching this video, and my apologies for not recording everything, but we were just having too much fun. I can't help it. Like, we'll just do it again. That's it. That's all we gotta do, I think. Yeah. Okay, so 2 things I learned on this cruise. One of them is in order to have fun, You have to be fine. The other thing that I learned is you don't say goodbye, you say ciao for now. And so that's the theme of this trip. It's been pretty good, I think. Finley and I are hanging out while Mama packs everything. We are headed home. So this is where Finley slept. They gave us a crib and it was awesome. And then we slept right here. And then while she was sleeping, we could go outside. They have this bed that can fold down, and also this bed that can fold down if you have a bunch more kids, which is wild. That's a lot of beds and a lot of children. Let me show you the shower. The shower, which is actually about the same size as the RV shower, which is wild. So this is a shower area, sink, and those things. While we're kind of waiting now, I just want to say that this Carnival Cruise Line wasn't really good at tailoring to any kids under 2 years old. There was no place where we could just let her like on the ground and just run around. So we found little niches, little nooks and crannies in the ship where she could do that, but they weren't like meant for her. So I think next cruise we're gonna look up Disney, maybe some of the other ones, and see what they have as far as kid stuff. Awesome cruise. I would say this is my first cruise, and Court hasn't been on one in a super long time. I would say we didn't get the most bang for our buck, only because of the activities for Finley. Everything else was spot on.